Commencing with the supreme name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most almighty, who creates everything from nothing, to whom we all will return on the day of judgment. It's me, Abdus. Welcome to my channel, Abdus Official. Today I have brought a very interesting topic for you people, and that is modal auxiliary. Clear that what is modal auxiliary? Before this we talk about that what is auxiliary, and it is the first type of auxiliary, and that is modal auxiliary. Clear? So let's talk about modal auxiliary. That what is modal auxiliary? Clear? The auxiliary verb which show possibility, permission, request, suggestion, future action, and personal ability of a subject in a sentence. Clear? The auxiliary verb which show us possibility, permission, request, suggestion, future action, and personal ability of a subject in a sentence. Clear? They are 9 in numbers. We have 9 modal auxiliaries. Clear? We have 9 modal auxiliaries, and all the modal auxiliaries. M stands for modal auxiliary. Clear? M stands for modal and A stands for auxiliary. So all the modal auxiliaries follow verb first form of the verb. It means that when we use auxiliary or modal auxiliary verb in a sentence, so after the auxiliary verb we must use first form of the verb. Clear? And the auxiliary verbs, the modal auxiliary verbs which we have, they are 9 in numbers, and they are can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, and the last one is must. Clear? If you count it, so it becomes now 9. Clear? We have 9 modal auxiliaries. For example, I say I can play cricket. I can play cricket. Can is a modal auxiliary, and it shows ability. Clear? It shows ability. And he should come or he should call me. Clear? So it was all about modal auxiliary. Inshallah, in the next video we will talk about the modal auxiliary verbs which we have. They are 9 in numbers. Clear? So we will talk about these stepwise. Clear? Thanks for watching my video. For more videos, must subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.